Hello and good morning to all of you. In the history of Indian National Congress, two sessions, 1938 Haripura and 1939 Tripuri, have a very unique kind of significance as they both are connected to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Today, I will try to make you understand what actually happens in these two sessions and what was the perspective of Gandhiji against the thought process of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose during these two Haripura and Tripuri. Haripura is a place which is located inside Maharashtra, very close to Surat. In this session in 1938, Subhash Chandra Bose, he became the president, and as you know, whenever someone gets the seat of this president, he enjoys a different kind of immunity. In fact, he can have on the ground what actually he thinks. So in this session, Subhash gave significance to two things. The first thing was that on the backdrop of because this was the time period of Second World War. When Germany attacks over Poland, the whole Pandora box got opened, and amid all these circumstances, what happens that Subhash Chandra Bose, his perspective to deal with the Britain was completely different in comparison to the Gandhi, because Subhash Chandra Bose was saying that it is a difficult situation for the Britain, but this difficulties should be used as an opportunity by India. So many countries are fighting against Britain, and Britain now it is not as powerful as it used to be. So why should we not use this difficulty which is being faced by Britain as an opportunity? But my friends, Gandhi had a completely different perspective, because Gandhi was saying that if we are not supporting Britain, it means directly or indirectly we are helping to Germany. And Gandhi was very clear in his mind that Hitler was not a very good man. He believed in totalitarianism. He had burnt the constitution and he had demolished the parliament in Germany. So how Gandhi can admire, or how Gandhi can help by not helping Britain to the people like Hitler and the ideology which was churning around that time in Germany? So you can see what kind of ideological battle was going on between Subhash and Gandhiji. The second point, which was also the bone of contention between these two tallest leaders at that time, Subhash believed that the economy of India must be based upon the industrialization. Subhash realized that this is high time we gave importance to this industrialization. Only then India can be stronger, and we can challenge, or we can compete the countries like China and these kinds of countries who are challenged for the India. But again, let me tell you that Gandhi never believed in this industrialization, because Gandhi was saying that look, the earth can fulfill the need of all the individuals of this universe, but my friends, the earth cannot fulfill the greed of even one single individual in this world. Gandhi believed that this industrialization will make you people greedy, will make the people greedy. And just look at the Britain. It is such a tiny country, and what actually it is doing, it is trying to control the resources of the rest of the countries. That's why he is ruling over India, he is ruling over African countries and so many countries. You know that there was a proverb that the son of Britain never sets, because it has ruled over so many countries, and there was a time when somewhere we used to experience the sunlight. So these were two perspectives. This thing has also been elaborated in the book of Gandhiji known as Hind Swaraj. You can go and read about it and you can understand why actually Gandhi was against this industrialization. And if you compare this industrialization in present situation, so my friends, we have nowadays almost every technological development. I think we are living in one of the most modern time period. Even then people are not happy. They are not happy from the bottom of their heart, despite of the fact that we have the aeroplane, we have the air conditioner and all these technological and modern facilities. Why the people is not happy? So Gandhi was giving importance to the inner happiness. That's why he was against the point of view of Netaji, who was believing in industrialization. After that, what happens in the next year in 1939 in Tripuri? In this session, Jawaharlal Nehru, he was supposed to be the president. But what happens? He goes out of India and again Netaji fights the election of the president. This time he was not sure enough that I will win the election, because Gandhiji has placed a very strong candidate from Andhra Pradesh whose name was Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. And Gandhiji was very sure that this time Pattabhi Sitaramaiah will win. But my friends, when the result comes, everybody was shocked, because this time again Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose became the president and he defeats to Pattabhi Sitaramaiah. When this message comes on the surface, Gandhi gave a statement and which really shattered Netaji, because Gandhi told that the defeat of Pattabhi Sitaramaiah is the defeat of mine. And I think this was, the story was written on the wall. Subhash understood that till the time I will live under the banner of this Indian National Congress, it is very difficult for me to go against the thought process of Gandhi, because he has a very strong hold and I cannot give or I cannot execute the vision. Therefore, I need to separate myself. And my friends, in the same year in 1939, Subhash Chandra Bose, he comes out of the shadow of this INC and he develops a different platform known as this forward bloc, and from there he starts executing the dream which he had dreamt for India. Thank you.